Getting to grips with British idioms. Hello everyone. Today we're diving deep into the heart of British culture through language. We'll be exploring the fascinating world of British English idioms. Idioms are phrases that don't have a literal meaning but rather a figurative one, and they can be quite amusing and enlightening to learn. So, let's get cracking. An idiom is a phrase or an expression that has a figurative meaning, which is different from the literal meaning of its individual words. In other words, if you tried to translate an idiom word for word into another language, it probably wouldn't make sense. British English, like all languages, is full of these colorful expressions. For example, "It's raining cats and dogs" doesn't mean that felines and canines are falling from the sky. Instead, it means that it's raining heavily. 1. Bob's your uncle. This means, there you have it. For instance, if you're explaining a process to someone, you might finish your explanation with, "And Bob's your uncle." 2. Don't get your knickers in a twist. Essentially, this is a fun way of saying, "Don't get upset," or "Calm down." 3. Bite the bullet. This means to face a difficult situation or to make a tough decision. 4. The bee's knees. If something or someone is described as the bee's knees, it means they are excellent or of high quality. 5. Pulling your leg. This doesn't involve any actual tugging on limbs. Instead, it means someone is joking or teasing you. To use idioms effectively, it's essential to understand the context in which they can be applied. Misusing an idiom can lead to confusion or even embarrassment. Here are a few examples of idioms used in sentences. After explaining the directions, just turn left, then right, and Bob's your uncle. You're there. I was just pulling your leg when I said that the Queen was coming to our local pub. You think this cake is good? Try my grandma's. Hers is the bee's knees. It's always a good idea to listen to native speakers using idioms and to practice using them in conversations yourself. British English idioms add flavor and fun to the language. While they might seem puzzling at first, with time and practice, you'll find them a delightful addition to your English vocabulary. We hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and remember, next time you're in the UK and hear something a bit quirky, it might just be a good old British idiom. Cheerio and happy learning!